upload something, you gonna put it on YouTube?
No.
Oh yeah, man. There it is. Thank you.
Do it, Dave. Still might be broken, Dave. Do it, Dave.
It's deep.
That's really deep.
It's deep down there, man. Let's bring it back up.
Don't wet me, Dave. I think you got it.
Maybe.
Yep. Good morning, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And today, Happy New Year. Today, man, I got a real situation here, folks. Late last night, checked that late yesterday afternoon, 4 p.m. Tech calls out, needs the big jetter. We pull it out, we bring it over, and get the jetter hose stuck. So, filming it, it's stuck right by the clean out at the street. The camera shows we're able to clear it. Got the line cleared, and we're able to clear it from the house side. When we tried to clean it we tried to put the jetter hose in from the street, couldn't make the turn. It's 6 foot deep, and any ideas on how to make that transition? I used my couple spoons, homemade copper stick, but long story short, had to jump to the house side, 40 foot away, get it cleared, get the cameras, we get the jetter hose stuck. Now, two things. I did manage to stretch my hose a little bit, so I stopped. Second thought was, let's camera see what we got. Go down there, able to see where it's stuck. Here it's, I don't know what it is. Coffee cup, toy, something from the street that backed up into their sewer. We don't know. But my head is jammed between the toy and the side of the pipe and can't pull it out. So today, we got to dig it up. Mr. Wiley's coming with his squad. Let's rescue my jetter truck. My baby Spartan's been parked in stranger's bed all night. Anyway, we'll see when we get there. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Follow this journey as I train my two sons the plumbing trade. Gonna be a long journey, but well worth it, because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. We'll see you there. All right, 40 feet down by there. Chucky, it's Mr. Angelo, it's Mr. Lee's house. There's our head, our jetter head stuck right there. And you can see the camera light down in that clean out. So I'm gonna try and pull it, but I don't want to rip the thing. I might leave the jetter here overnight. All right, Marty. I got a 6-7 foot sewer. My jetter's stuck in it. I gotta dig it up tomorrow morning. I gotta leave my jetter here tonight.
Might be something longer.
And there it is. It's some type of plug or something like this. All right, call me back. All right, I'm waiting to hear back. Part one. See where that's at? Dave, are we in the street, Dave?
We're right under the sidewalk. I can locate
What's that?
it again.
Go back forward. Nah, it's the PVC. Yeah, because we got the copper there. Oh. Part two is going to be digging down 7 foot, knocking out that piece of 3x3 concrete. I'm going to back my truck up, Big Mike's house, Actually, I know him. Whoever said this shit was easy, let's just get it done. All right, pulling up onto the site here. The markouts are here. Team Wally's here. And
the destination is on your right, 262 Sea Pine Drive.
Luckily, that truck is at a friend's house, stuck.
Arrived.
And safely parked overnight. And it wasn't cold overnight, so we were actually good. Here it is, John. Hold on 1 second. You really know how to pick them.
You stay up at night looking for these places?
Anyway, luckily, there was no freezing temperatures. I couldn't have winterized. I had to drain everything and hope for the best. There's Super Dave. So I did manage to yank on this hose pretty good. My question to you out there and the Spartan experts is, can you stretch this hose and do damage to it? Maybe I need to call up Rion and ask him if I did any damage by stretching it. Here's our situation. We had the tape marked. I pulled on this thing pretty good yesterday. Probably stretched the hose a little bit. I don't know if I did any damage. That's where we're stuck, at the curb.
The box.
This one? Oh, that one?
Yeah, the box.
All right.
Can't go far with this one.
Where you want to move it to?
No, just for a while so you can operate freely.
All right, you got it.
Run through down the street. Maybe spin around the block down there.
All right. Sounds good.
Keith, I'm going to in trouble.
Make the window. Then we can get the head out and even the piece to see what the hell it is.
Can we dig? You sure there's nothing on top of that pipe?
What do you mean? Like someone going through it?
Yeah. Like there's another clean out? I want to dig further, Dave.
I'll dig for it.
I want to go right to that
If you're
T.
making the cut,
I'm telling you,
Disrespect.
there's something there.
I don't think so.
I'm telling you right now.
Hey, Wally, you got that little hand tool?
Yeah, bud.
Yeah.
The little chisel thing?
Yeah.
You're like an archaeologist. Did it work?
Archaeologist, yeah.
That sounds good.
All right, there's
Some profession.
some kind of tea.
I don't think so.
Yeah, sure.
Huh?
Watch your step. Picked a great day for it, huh?
I can't film right.
Can you pull the camera back so we don't hit anything?
Well, we're not gonna hit the camera. Yeah. When you're never too scared, you kind of gotta send it.
Just gotta go for it, right?
Yeah.
Fuck it.
You want like a little screwdriver or something?
Yeah.
Flat screwdriver? You know pliers? Doing
Oh, I
it?
see the jetter line.
Needle nose?
Feel this?
Needle nose.
Scalpel.
Doing it.
Ooh, the fucking camera's here too.
That's what I said.
Fuck.
Yeah, pull it back, give you a little bit of light.
Nah.
You want to use the camera?
How about a big screwdriver? Yeah. Alright, we discovered that the pipe is jammed in the clean out. We got our jetter cable out. It's all put away. You saw it. Now we just got to fix this pipe.
Flatten it so we get the sharp edge below the road. Keep curling. All right, raise your bucket. Curl it.
Down?
Yeah, down. Keep going, keep going. Keep curling. Got more?
Yeah,
Give me a hair more. Okay. Now, come a little bit forward.
Yeah, Dave.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, Dave.
Just rod in there.
Navajo Dave, what are you doing?
What, you want me to cut it back, right?
Yeah, 3 foot.
Oh, like,
Oh,
more?
back here?
Yeah. The camera's back 4.5 inch?
Yeah, oh yeah. I pull back like 10 feet.
I want to put 2 clamps there, Dave. We got plenty of room.
Scrape that off. Instead of us
Here, get the ladder out of your way so you can work.
Do that.
And have a shovel too. To get the scoop too. I have one.
Got the little guy.
No, we gotta be in fucking more at what? 1?
Yep.
Push back to 2, maybe, but we'll be out to 8 at that point.
Dave, cut that yellow pipe out of your way.
Yeah, you got it. Put a fur coat on it.
Okay, Dave, I like it.
Not at all.
I love that.
Get this concrete in before it rains.
It's supposed to rain today, right?
This afternoon.
Shit, well, let's come back tomorrow, right?
Got until 2 o'clock.
All right.
That?
You gotta do this.
What do you need?
It's 159.
I can't say that on air.
Well, as soon as you finish this, I can start filming.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, let's not.
Just keep getting it big. Get to it. I'll grab one.
That's your afraid.
Crank that bitch.
Get off.
What about now?
No, these are all, there's no clamp. It's just rubber pushing. You just push them together.
That's so crazy.
You could probably do around a couple of these houses and find a safe roll.
Throw the camera down their line.
That's how we should market ourselves. Just go door to door.
Is your clean out touching the bottom?
Check just in case.
Is your clean out touching the bottom of your pipe?
You saw what we were doing at your neighbor's house, right? Hey, 20 grand, we'll do it for you.
Here you go again with that shower door. I'm keeping an eye on you. It's too clean in there.
What you gotta do, Ange?
Yeah.
There you have it, folks. Little minor disaster. We got it done. We got the baby back. I don't know about stretching the hydraulic line. Got a phone call into Spartan Bob. If I had my big jetter head, I would have never made it past that fitting. But in the end, the story was this. Whoever did the site work beveled the pipe way too much, drove that joker down all the way to the bottom of the T. And I can't believe it, but it worked for 15 years. Unbelievable. Unless someone was just in there working, which it was not. We dug up the lawn, covered the whole sewer plate, and was buried by sod. So it was definitely not visible. Long story short, it's over now. And what do we got? We got a happy customer. I got my baby back in order. See you at the next one, folks. Have a great night. Bye-bye.